Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download image on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find download image. Click on it, and that's it. It will be downloaded. That's how to download the image on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.